Good morning, students. Once again, we are going to start the next part of the remaining last part of the chapter from the diary of Anne Frank. The class roared. The class started laughing. I had to laugh too, though I had early exhausted. Exhausted means tired. It means all ideas which were in my mind, they had been finished. What to write? My ingenuity. What is ingenuity? Originality and inventiveness. She is saying that I could not invent new words. What to write in the last essay? She had finished all the words. I was trying to come up with something else, something original. Now this time I had to write something original. My friend, what is the name? I can't remember the name. Sani, who is good at poetry. She is saying that my friend is Sani, she is good at poetry, offered to help me write the essay from the beginning to end in verse. What is verse? A collection of poems is known as a verse. What is verse? A collection of poetries is known as a verse. Or poems also. And I jumped for joy. Mr. Kissing was trying to play a joke on me with the ridiculous. What is ridiculous? Ridiculous. Disgusting. Disgusting or humorous subject. But I would make sure the joke was on him. Do you know, students? Now she will tell that in the last essay I wrote something different, something original, and after that Mr. Kissing was going to make fun of me, but he could not. वो मेरा मजाक उड़ाने वाले थे, but the joke was on him. वो joke उन्हीं पर था. Do you know what? I finished my poem. The right pronunciation, not poem, poem. P-O-E-M, because E is here silent. The right pronunciation is, what is right pronunciation? Poem. Not poem. Okay? What is right pronunciation? Poem. E is silent. I finished my poem and it was beautiful. It was about a mother duck. She wrote in the third essay a story, a poem about mother duck and father swan. Father was swan and mother was duck. With 3 baby ducklings, and they had beautiful baby ducklings. यानी उनके 3 प्यारे प्यारे क्या थे? बच्चे थे, ducks के बच्चे. Who were beaten to death by the father. And you know, they were killed by the swan father because they quacked too much. Swan father ने क्यों मार दिया उसे बच्चों को? Because they quacked too much. It is not justice ना बेटा. Ducks, swans, जो swan के duck के जो बच्चे होंगे, they will always quack ना. They will always quack. It should not be happen. They should not be killed. तो उनके लिए क्या उनको मारा जाएगा? It is their habit. ये तो उनकी habit है. And Anne Frank, what does Anne Frank wants to say? Luckily, Mr. Kissing took the joke the right way. He read the second form read. He read the poem to the class, adding his own comments and to several other classes as well. Since then, I have been allowed to talk, and I haven't been assigned any extra homework. And on the contrary, means on the opposite to it, Mr. Kissing is always making jokes these days in the sign of yours and. Extracted from Diary of a Young Girl. Earlier the diary's name was The Diary of a Young Girl with slight adaptations. It means some words have been adapted here. They have been taken from somewhere. Now listen beta. When did Anne Frank allowed to talk in the class? After her third essay, quack quack quack, said Mistress Chatterbox. In the third essay, she wrote a poem, or she wrote an essay about a mother, duck mother and swan father. Swan father who killed his ducklings. Do you know why? Because they quacked too much. तो इसका मीनिंग क्या है? इसका मीनिंग क्या है इस लाइन का? Through this essay, through this poem, Anne Frank also wants to suggest that talking is students' trait. For that, they should not be punished. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उनको मार दिया जाएगा. As the ducks always make a quacking sound. That's why talking is the trait of students. For that they should not be punished by their teachers. And this job was taken seriously by the maths teacher Mr. Kissing. And since that day he allowed Anne Frank to talk in the class. But still he is making fun of others. But दूसरों का मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. पर किसका मजाक नहीं उड़ाते? Anne Frank का. क्योंकि Mr. Kissing doesn't want to be a swan father. Mr. Kissing doesn't want to be a swan father. Is it clear? What was the first essay which was given to Anne Frank? A chatterbox. Second was incorrigible chatterbox. Third was quack, 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 said mysterious chatterbox. What was written in third essay? In third essay, she wrote a poem about a mother, duck and swan father who killed his ducklings because they quacked too much. Through these words, Anne Frank also wants to tell that talking is students' trait, for that they should not be punished. That's why Mr. Kissing allowed Anne Frank to talk in the class, because he didn't want to be second swan father. He didn't want to be second swan father. Students, there are some questions. You have to go through these questions. Last page. Why was Mr. Kissing annoyed with Anne? Very easy answer. Because he used to talk a lot in the class. Second part. What did he ask her to do? He asked her to write an essay on the topic of chatterbox. Second question. How did Anne justify her being a chatterbox in her essay? She justified saying that talking is a student's trait and it is inherited to her. Because her mother used to talk too much and she will try to keep it under control, but that is not possible for her. Third, do you think Mr. Kissing was a strict teacher? Yes, obviously. He was a strict teacher because he assigned extra work to Anne Frank. First was chatterbox, second was incorrigible chatterbox, third was quack, 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 said mysterious chatterbox. What made Mr. Kissing allow Anne Frank to talk in the class? After the third essay, in the third essay, she wrote a poem about a duck mother and swan father who killed his ducklings because they quacked too much. And Mr. Kissing next is allowed Anne Frank because he didn't want to be second swan father. I don't think there will be a little bit doubt. If you are in doubt, you can send me messages on my WhatsApp number. Okay, beta. As the classes which are going to be conducted through Zoom, they will not be conducted now. If you are in doubt regarding this chapter, you can send me messages also. One more thing, I don't think some other questions can be asked on this chapter. Okay, I am repeating some questions once again. Why does Anne Frank want to provide a brief sketch of her life diary? Because she thinks that no one will be able to understand any single word of her diary without knowing her life. What was the name of her diary? Kitty. What first essay was given to Anne Frank? A chatterbox. Second was incorrigible chatterbox. What is incorrigible? A person who cannot be controlled. Third was quack, 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 said mysterious chatterbox. It means in first essay, a chatterbox, she wrote that talking is a student's trait. Trait means characteristic. She will try to keep it under control, but that is not possible for her because her mother used to talk too much. It means it was inherited to her. What is inherited? Which the habits, whether physical or mental, which we get from our parents, or it means which is always passed from one generation to another generations. Is it clear, students? If you are in doubt regarding this chapter, you can send me messages. I don't think there will be some doubts. I don't think, because I described all the questions and I described this chapter also deeply. Any questions which will be asked in board exams, you have to write properly, maintaining grammatical sense also. Okay, like the question is in present, you have to write the question is in present. But suppose your question is why does, it means you have to use first sum plus s or es while you are writing the answers. Why does Anne Frank want to keep a diary? Your answer will be Anne Frank wants 1 plus s, because the question is in present. Anne Frank wants to keep a diary as a friend because she does not have any true friend. Not do not have. Do is used in plural. She does not have any true friend, and she thinks a paper has more patience than a diary, than humans. What makes writing in a diary strange for Anne Frank? She has not done anything earlier, and she thinks no one will be interested in the musings or thoughts of a 13-year-old girl. Okay, students, thank you.